guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be braiding my hair. Now they're not gonna be like a whole bunch of small parts. They're gonna be pretty big, or bigger than I usually do them. I don't want this to be an all-day thing. I'm just really tired of doing my hair. Yeah, I'm gonna try to record most of everything that I do. I'm not even a pro at this, but I feel like just because I'm a perfectionist, it'll turn out good, hopefully. So I might as well just show you the supplies that I have. So I got my hair from a brand called Soku from Amazon. It's an original antibacterial braid 4X. It's pre-stretched. So yeah, I got my color, or I tried to get something similar to it. I know it's not perfect, but I kind of don't care. Oh, it also came with this crochet hook, but I already have a crochet hook, so I guess I have an extra one now. And these cool looking cute little, oh, there's some cute ones in here. That's cute, even though it's not winter time. This one's cute too. And then the rest are just like brown, kind of like beach looking kind of shells and shit. I'm excited to get this over with. Guys, I feel so awkward right now because my roommates are moving in and I'm filming a YouTube video and I'm pretty sure they can hear me talking to myself, but it's fine. I just also got some braiding hair gel. I know this looks like really fancy and new, but they didn't have jam, like the shine and jam or whatever, you know, that brand. I might just put a picture here so you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, they didn't have it, but they told me that everyone is using this, all the hairstylists, as he said. And then I got this eyeliner lip liner pen thing because I really wanted to start doing that, you know, that lip look that girls do, but I don't know if that'll look good on me. Let's try it now, actually. Okay, so I took it out and I'm gonna try it. I don't even know how to really do it, but guys, doing this on my camera and not an actual mirror is hard. I like how I just went full throttle with that and just put it all over me. Wait, that actually doesn't look bad. Hold on. Hold on on that. Hold on.
Now hold on. I'm not gonna say that. All right, hold on. Because anyway, now hold on.
Well, I guess I'll just leave this on my lips for the rest of the tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna part my this is what I'm looking like, guys. This is what I did. I just put it into braids overnight in some leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna take it out now and I'm going to part it. I hope I don't look like I'm rough with my hair. Yo, wait, I look so cool. Not me loving how I look, and I haven't even done the hair tutorial yet. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is look at this tutorial that I was using, which I will link down below. Okay, this is me showing you guys that I had a really hard time parting the back of my head, but that's the first part. It's right at the ears, pretty much. Now I'm just braiding my hair out of the way. Okay, so I was trying to show you guys that I did the next part, but I was having trouble recording myself and looking in the mirror at the same time, as you can see. But I basically started the part right where I would start the side swoop of my edges, if that makes any sense. So I was struggling to part the back, but here is my part. I'm not sure if this was my final part. I parted this multiple times because I was doing this by myself, but I don't think it's that bad. Next, I parted my hair right down the middle. Okay, so I had to finish parting my hair off camera, but I'm finally done and I'm gonna try to give you guys an up close visual. I look so crazy right now, I know, but ignore that. I'm gonna give you guys an up close on how I parted my hair. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I separated the hair. So this is how it looks. Take it and do half, because I'm not really sure how much I'm gonna use yet. And I'm gonna take this half and I'm gonna split it up again. And then I'm gonna take this other half and split it up again. I'm gonna take it one more time and I'm going to split it. Okay, so checking in, I did 2 braids and I did them off camera because I'm struggling. This is my first time doing knotless braids, so these are both trial and error braids, but I think I have my technique down and I know what I want to do for the rest of them. I'm gonna leave this like this since it's in the back. I'll show you the back. I'm not sure how tight I did them, but I'm not worried about that. I think so far, I don't know, this feels good enough for me to want to go out in public. Like, I don't mind that they're not perfect because I did it for the free, other than paying for the hair. So we're gonna do the rest now. Okay guys, I'm back with the voiceover. So I'm just trying to show you, hopefully this goes well, but I'm gonna try to show you how I did the knotless braid. I feel like at this point I had a few done, so I had enough practice to show you, but mind you, this is my first time doing it. So if this I'm done with the disclaimers, but I'm just brushing it out to make sure that it's smooth for when I braid it, that I don't have like any like, you know, curls fucking up like the way it comes out. I wanted it to be as professional looking as possible, so you know, I tried to add the gel by the parts. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Okay, so I'm splitting it into 3 parts now. I'm gonna start braiding, and you're gonna want to braid it about, well, as many times as you want, but I braided it about 2-3 times before I started adding the braiding hair. Okay, so I did this one really far away, so you can't really see it, but I'm gonna do it again on camera so we could just watch from afar right now and just enjoy the vibe. When I was braiding and got to the ends of my actual hair, I tried to add gel to it, or at least brush it with the brush one time just to get it smoother. Another thing I never hear in hair videos is how much hair that comes out as you braid. So when you see me pulling at the ends of my hair, that's just me trying to get like the loose strands of braiding hair out. Another thing, I just messed up just now, but if I mess up, I just would take out the hair and then try again. So don't get discouraged if you mess up the first few times. Like, it took me a while to get this video started. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but the only way you can like do things for yourself is just keep trying and not get too discouraged if something doesn't work out the first time. But yeah, it took me a while to get this, but if you really want to do it and you want to save your coins, sis, just keep trying. Like, don't give up. So by the time I was almost done, I realized that it was better to just wet the whole section in order for me to like make sure my hair stays smooth. I don't know why it took me to do majority of my head to figure that out. Okay, here we go, in slow motion, in between my middle and pointer finger. It goes there, I grab it, I put it on top of my hands, and then I start bringing the other piece of hair under, because I braid underhand. Let's run that back one more time in slow motion so you guys can't say you didn't see it. Okay guys, this is the final product. I was so happy the way it turned out. The only complaint I have is in the back, because I couldn't like braid directly in the back of my head. I kind of made a gap the way I braid the top two pieces. Like there's like a gap back there and you could just only see the middle one hanging by itself. But other than that, this shit is so cute. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see next from me. Thank you for watching, and tune in next Friday for my next video.
I want you to be happy. I want you to smile.